What's up guys, finally this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro. Yeah guys, Samsung is doing things differently this year when it comes to the Galaxy Note 10. A series of reports said the company will launch two different Note 10 sizes this year, a first for the series, but a move that feels very familiar given that Samsung did the same thing with the Galaxy S10 phones. The new Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro, however, won't be replicas of the previous flagships, and we have renders based on leaked CAD designs to prove that. The same source that leaked the Galaxy Note 10 design earlier this week is back with similar renders for the Note 10 Pro. A well-known leaker at the rate OnLeaks partnered with Bryce Baba for the Galaxy Note 10 Pro renders. The Note 10 Pro will be nearly identical to the Note 10 aside from a few differences. First of all, the Galaxy Note 10 Pro is bigger in size, featuring a 6.75-inch Infinity O display. That also means the phone will have a bigger battery. The other difference concerns the primary camera, which features 4 lenses on the Pro compared to just 3 on the Note 10. The extra shooter is a time-of-flight TOF camera similar to what's available on the Galaxy S10 5G. But everything else stays the same. We have the same all-screen, all-glass design, curved front and rear edges. Tiny bezels flank the display at the top and bottom, and the hole punch camera is placed in the middle rather than on the side as is the case for the Galaxy S10. The rear camera is vertical and located on the top left corner. Physical buttons are very much in the picture, including the power button and the volume rockers on the left side of the phone. There's no Bixby button on the Note 10 Pro and the Note 10, and neither handset features a headphone jack. And yeah guys, finally the fingerprint sensor is placed under the screen, and we are probably looking at an ultrasonic sensor just like the Galaxy S10. The two Galaxy Note 10 flavors will hit stores at same point in August, a few weeks after their official launch. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.